Hey there, welcome to our quick and easy tutorial on how to rename the files or folders in cPanel in just a few minutes. Let's start by logging into cPanel. Just enter your username and password, and you're good to go. After getting into cPanel, go to File section, you will see File Manager option. Just click on it. Here, you'll find all your files and folders neatly organized on your hosting account. In order to rename a folder, open the context menu by right-clicking on the folder. Then, choose the Rename option from the menu. A window will appear, displaying the current name of the folder. Type in the new folder name into the text field. Then, simply click on Rename File. The folder's name will be updated by the File Manager accordingly. In order to rename a file, open the context menu by right-clicking on the file. Then, choose the Rename option from the menu. A pop-up window will appear, showing the current name of the file. Simply type the new name for the file into the text field. Just hit Rename File. The File Manager will automatically update the file's name for you. Using this method, you can easily rename any files or folders within your cPanel hosting. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for even more awesome tutorials.